Hey guys, this is me again and welcome to Vertex 5. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can activate the flow in your hand before we begin. So let's just start, and this is an exercise. I will show you how you can do that. So let's start this video. I have a normal printer paper here. It's 80 gram AA. So you can use whatever is convenient for you. And for this specific thing, uh, I'm going to need these papers. So let's just take this HB pencil and start. The first thing we are going to do is draw lines like this. It starts from one end and goes to the other. What this will do is activate the flow in your hand. It's a hidden flow, trust me. You need to practice this more and more, because the more you can practice, the more you will get it done fast. The lines I'm drawing, these are not supposed to be straight or whatever manner you are drawing in. It's just an exercise, so you need to draw this on the whole paper, and you can just like draw it more than once. Like you will when you will practice it on 4 or 5 papers, the line will get really straight automatically. So let's put this aside. This is called horizontal lines. Now we will take another paper and we will draw vertical lines. You need to fill the paper, and don't worry about the lines that are crossing each other or not going straight, because it's the part of the process. So that's it. You can see there are some lines over here in this part and here that are not going straight, but eventually it will go straight. So I'm doing this after a long time, so you need to practice these vertical lines on again 4 to 5 papers, and your hand will get very comfortable with this. So next thing we are going to do is we are going to make circles like this. Okay, so it can be smaller or it can be like this, and you can also draw circle within the circle to practice more carefully. So you can see that circle, I'm not doing it perfectly because I'm doing it after a very long time. It's a very basic exercise. It will help you to draw curvy lines in a smooth way. So don't worry about that your circle is not perfect or anything like this, because again it will uh, get better with the time. You need to practice this. So you need to do this on 4 to 5 papers. So that was it. The circles are not perfect, you can see in the video, but it will get better once you will start. Just do it on 4 to 5 papers or 3 to 4. It depends on you. You need to practice this and this called the spheres. So these were the 3 things we have discovered today for activating the flow in your hand. Here's the horizontal lines. Okay, here's the vertical lines, and here are the lane circles. So please practice this, and let's just close this thing. So guys, that was all. I hope that was helpful again. So that was the basics, the circles, the lines, horizontal lines across the paper, and then the vertical lines. That were basic, and I need you to please practice that, because the more you practice this, the more you will activate the fluency in your hand. So that's the basic. It's called linear drawing. So you need this because before you can start shading or anything, you need to draw the outer layout of your drawing very perfectly. For that you need this. So thank you, and please subscribe and like this video, and also click the bell icon. Thank you.